say that I've been waiting just to make that smile of yours stay attached to that great.
What's your most memorable experience? It is a matter of faith that every man and woman, every boy and girl